Hello everyone, with another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you remove or restore the title bar in Firefox browser. As you know, the title bar is a annoying thing that appeared in the top of the page of the Firefox browser, and sometimes it appeared or sometimes this happening occurred to your Firefox browser and you don't know how to remove this title bar. In this video I'm going to show how can you remove or restore the title bar in Firefox browser. As you can see, um, as you can see, in my Firefox browser there isn't title bar because I remove it because it's too annoying thing, because it's came on the top of the page. And now I'm going to show how can you remove or restore it. Here, as you can see, this is the menu of the Firefox browser. You should have a click right on it, and as you can see you should go to the customize toolbar, and as you can see here is the title bar. As you can see, by clicking it I enable it, and after that I done, and as you can see this is the title bar of a Firefox browser. For example, I search something, and as you can see this is the title bar of Firefox browser. Now I'm gonna to remove it. Again, have a click right on the menu and go to the customize toolbar, and as you can see you should click the title bar. You should remove the sign, and as you can see you should click done, and the title bar is removed. Thank you for watching our videos, and follow us with other informative videos, and goodbye.